In this tutorial, we built the delete user page. So I've already created a page called deleteuser.aspx and given it a title and put a heading in here. The next thing we'll do is drop in a text box for the user to put in the name of the user they want to delete. And I'm going to rename this txt user to delete. And we'll put some let's see, we'll just leave it as the text box now. We'll also put a button on here. And the text on the button will say delete user. And I'm going to call this cmd delete user. So the next thing we'll do is add the VB. We actually have to do this through VB. And to do that, we'll go to the VB page. And if you're looking here, you notice I have delete user 2. I've already created all this stuff. I'll just go back through here and do it step by step because this was a little complicated. So I've got all the pieces here. So I'll come here to the VB. We'll choose, oh, I'm sorry, I want to rename that button. So let's go back to here. Oh, we did call it cmd delete user. Okay. I don't know why it's not picking it up. Come on. Let me save this. I'll go check it again. Okay, cmd delete user, and on the click event, what we want to do is get the username. So I'm going to do this in 2 steps. We want to get the username from the text box. We could do this all in 1 step, but we'll do it in 2. And then we'll say username equals txt user2 delete dot text, and then we'll use this membership object, membership dot delete user, and this takes 2 arguments. The first is the username, which we have in that variable, and then we'll also put in true to delete all the other things that are in the membership database for this particular user. So this will work as long as we get the right username in here. So let's give this a shot. And if we come in here and say we want to delete a user that doesn't exist, we should get an error. Okay. So I'm not sure, this might be the error. Sometimes when we open up this local database, it does a problem. So actually, it doesn't throw an error here. We have to do some checking to see, because there's not a user called BBB. So, but we could put a user in here, Don. And again, we don't really know if this is working or not. But anyway, this is the first step. And the key to this is really this piece of code here, this membership.delete user, and then we put in the username that we read from the text box. So we'll just leave that here for this first tutorial.